This soup is so simple. Ham, potatoes, cheese. No bacon has to be fried, and yet it has great flavor. It's a comfort soup and easy to put together.
Let's get started. It's not going to take long. It goes together very quickly.
Let's begin by peeling our potatoes. If there happens to be some eyes that have sprouted on the potatoes, just pick them off. The potato will still be good. Rinse your potatoes. Add 3½ cups of water to a 5-quart pot. Cups of potatoes and add them to the water. I prepared more potatoes than I needed, so I wrapped them up and put them in my fridge for another use. Slice ½ cup of celery. Chop 2 cups of ham. As you're going along, add your ingredients to the soup pot with water. Chop 2/3 cup onion. Add your onion to the pot and then stir all the ingredients together. Boil over high heat and then reduce heat to medium-low. Cover potatoes, leaving the lid slightly ajar, and then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until potatoes are tender. Now for the final step, we are going to make the roux. You're going to melt the butter in a separate saucepan over medium-low heat. When the butter has melted, add your flour and stir. If you don't, you'll end up with a lumpy roux. So cook, stirring constantly for about 1 minute. You're cooking the flour at this point. After 1 minute, add milk and cook constantly until thickened for about another 4 minutes. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. It will help our channel so much. Thank you. For your cheese, I recommend a nice quality medium cheddar like Tillamook. Grate 3 cups of medium sharp cheddar cheese. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll want to check on the potatoes to see if they're done. Use a utensil and push into them, and if it goes easily, then it's done. If there's a bit of crunch, cook them for a couple of more minutes. You don't want them to become mushy. Once the potatoes have finished cooking, you can add the shredded cheese to the pot. Here's the roux we made earlier. You can tell it's been setting for a while, but it will incorporate into the soup very nicely. Thoroughly combine the soup and roux together. Stir in the chicken bouillon, salt, and pepper. In this video, I forgot to add the chicken bouillon, so it is optional, but it will give you even more delicious flavor. When you want to brighten flavors in a soup, you can add something acidic. And today we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice to the soup. Although it's good as it is, it will enhance the flavors. Have it, my friend. That's how simple it is to put together this simple and delicious ham and potato soup.